Well, good morning. Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning. Yes. Well, on the first part of this video, it shows what we just drove through coming from Laramie back out. We went to Laramie to Walmart and stuff, and when we started home, well, while I was even in Walmart, it was hailing and raining, and then we started home. There was a lot of hail.
It was loud in the car.
Yeah.
Woo!
And so we're going to show you a little bit of that. And then we've got some video of our campsite where we're camped now.
Mm-hmm.
And also
Wonderful
fixing the
trails.
water door.
Yep.
So, hope you enjoy. Okay, here we are going home from Laramie at the store, going back to the campground. And we've had a lot
Look at all the hail.
of hail. You can see the white on the sides. It's hail. It's not very big hail. Not like damaging size hail, but there's just a lot of it. And Jim is driving very slowly because, woo, slick baby. Slow down, please. No.
Well, we're back to our campsite.
We're not quite to the campsite.
Tri-City Trailhead. And you can see that the ground is all white from the hail.
Be careful those holes right there.
You can see those holes, how that water is jumping up in the air.
Okay, what Jim's doing right now is repairing the lock on the water door. Neither the lock on the water door nor the one on the fuel door were working. So we tried to buy one lock and cannibalize it for both of them, but may not work. We may have to get one more lock, but anyway.
Okay, that feels like it's pretty tight.
It was weird because it wouldn't. Okay. The key wouldn't come out. Also, he has to repair. Work now?
Yep.
And also see that little spot right there that's gone, broken out of there?
Right now.
He's going to fix that right now with his 50 times stronger than any glue
As
stuff that's not glue.
On the
Actually,
internet.
it's not glue, it's
Dental
something
repair
else,
whatever.
dental repair stuff
You
that,
didn't bring it out here, did you?
uh-uh.
Okay.
And it doesn't stick at all unless you activate it with UV light, so it comes with a little UV light. Man, it has just been really, really great. And he'll come out here and do that in a minute. Okay.
Anytime you're using this glue, you need to make sure you prep the surface just like any glue. And after I glue it together, which is supposed to be 50 times stronger than any other glue.
And
So-
and let's see what it's called.
Bondic.
Bondic. And it comes with this little deal which has, this is what has the UV light in it, which is what activates it. And these other two little black things right here
Our glue.
are glue cartridges, yeah.
So,
So
let's see.
he'll put the glue on here.
This feels like the one I've used. It's a lighter feeling. Okay, so I'm just going to put a tiny little
bead of
bead on there.
glue around it, okay.
Okay. And then this just has a little switch on it where you turn on the light. Boing, you can see it got purple.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to stick this together and get it as straight as we can. Of course, you have to worry about it setting up because it's not going to set up till it...
It doesn't set up till you put the light on it.
Right. I don't know, maybe out here in the sun, maybe it already set up. It's kind of acting kind of weird. It has already set up.
Oh, it's that UV light from the sun.
Yeah, the sun. How dare it? Okay, now I'm going to have to cut it off.
Okay. So we learned something new.
Well,
it's
it's already
sunny
hot.
and it's windy out here.
Yep. Wind shouldn't affect it, but UV light does, and it does it quickly. Yeah, see, it came off of there, but it's boy, that set up, I'm telling you. In a
You
hurry.
better get it on there in a hurry and get it up there.
Okay, well, let's take a look at this again, see exactly where it goes. I'm wondering if I can close that, if that will help hold it in place till I get it up there. Yeah, I think it will. Okay, I'm going to do it like that.
I can't tell for sure what I'm shooting, but hopefully you can see what he's doing.
It's just there it goes. Takes it 4 seconds or less. If I got it on there. Looks like I did.
Looks like it's fixed.
So I'm gonna
Okay.
put some extra on the
Extra on the back side. Okay.
on this back side back
Yeah.
here.
I don't remember when that came off. Maybe when it was open when we were backing out of the forest when we were stuck. A lot of things got broken then.
Okay, I'm gonna have to set this one with this is the one that I've been using ever since I started, and it feels like it's empty now.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this now, come on.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it on there. Here's the little light.
thank you. Oops, there it is. I think that's probably got 4 seconds on all of it.
Okay. So
Hard as a
now
rock.
it's hard.
Hard as a rock, yep.
Okay. And we have a key for it.
We do?
Now we have a key that works, maybe. Yeah, and Jim's doing some sanding and repainting right now, so he'll paint that gray.
Yeah. So there's a key to it.
Yeah.
The key, this goes right there, turns right down, and that's locked.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That way it's unlocked.
Yay.
Well, here's our new setup, and we're in a beautiful place. We're just about 10 miles from where we were last week. But here we can have a fire, and we've had a good rain the last couple of days.
Yeah, we can have a fire because it's in this ring thing.
Yes, and there's our water. We've got water set out here, and then our fire pit. The fire pit is what gives us the right to have a fire here. They don't want you to build a rock ring and have a fire, but they will let you do it if you have one of their fire pits.
Yes, and it has been beautiful this evening. We can hear the birds are singing so much.
They are.
And you can hear children playing in the background. I love that.
I do too.
And right behind us, let's go over here and look. Right behind us, it goes all down in here and down there. Or
A bicycle
or
and
walking,
hiking trail.
hiking trail. Maisie, come over here. And actually, there's a gate right back there behind our car
That crosses over.
that you can walk through, or there's a little pedal zone that you can ride your bike.
Absolutely. You can see the trail going there, and it's kind of nice having kids and adults or whatever come through here. There's a couple right there.
Yeah.
Have been out on a trek, it looks like, on a walkabout.
And
And
one
Maisie.
guy that came by today said that this little campground had been closed for a couple of years, and they just opened it back up about 2 weeks ago.
Huh.
So we're really delighted that they opened it up because we like it here.
Yes, we did.
And with it being 4th of July weekend, it's very busy.
And they put some logs at the campsites, and so I split up a couple of logs so that we could have a fire.
Yeah.
And it's so nice because it also keeps the skeeters away, doesn't it, babe?
Yeah, and it warms us up a little bit because there's a little bit of chill in the air. But the other thing is, this is a paid campground.
Mm-hmm.
And
It's $10 a night.
$10 a night. There's no hookups for anything. But there is nice picnic table and the fire ring and all that. And a vault toilet over there right across from us.
Uh-huh.
But with our senior card from the national parks or federal government thing, we get it for $5 a night. So for 2 weeks,
Wow.
we're going to stay here for $70.
Yep. And we've already paid, so we're going to be hanging out here. You can see our picnic table. Now there is one thing, it gives us some instructions. It says there are bears in this area. So it tells you some directions on what to do and not to do.
Oh, some of the best areas have bears.
That's right. They know the good areas.
Yeah.
Boy, this is a beautiful forest to walk in, isn't it, my baby girl?
It is amazing. It's beautiful. These trails cut through here are just wonderful. And we see a steady stream of hikers and bikers coming on all these trails out here.
We sure do.
There's lots of trails, not just this one.
There are.
Okay, so our Life is a Joy bus has been turned into a salon, and Miss Kim
has done my hair already.
Better
Me?
known as Crazy Kim.
And now she's cutting Jim's hair, so this will be quite a surprise for some of you to see him with short hair.
How much
Look at this. How much hair is on the floor from Jim.
Got to get the unibrow.
She's doing his brows. She's going to shape up his beard.
About when you get older, your hair
He's going to be a different man.
It forgets where it's supposed to grow. It stops growing up here, you know, and it starts growing. But I have eyebrows sometimes. I'll get up in the morning and I have an eyebrow that's grown 2 inches. That's crazy.
I honestly understand what you're saying.
Isn't that crazy?
It is. I swear.